This is my KTM 150SX, and since I first laid my eyes on one, the allure of that refined, fuel-injected, two-stroke punch got me hooked. But even though it's only 1 year old, it's definitely seen better days, and frankly, the riding experience in that past year has been equally uncomfortable. But with the spring finally here, I think it's high time I give the bike a little refresh and make myself a better rider over the next couple weeks. Maybe a little more than that. Because if I can't, it might be time to throw in the towel and just pick up any old Japanese four-stroke. But first, let's figure out what this thing needs. Without being able to get this thing on track during the winter, I can't fine-tune every detail to make it perfect. But I can definitely get it riding and looking better than it does now with a few simple adjustments. I'm gonna start by adjusting the ergonomics, or the stuff I touch. Then I'm just gonna do some basics, like bleed the forks, make sure the air pressure is good. And of course, I'll throw on some new plastics and make her look fresh. Along the way, I'm gonna do my best to clean and grease everything so I can get this thing running as smooth as possible. But first, let's just start ripping stuff off. Immediately, it is sometimes annoying how many small, different kind of fasteners there are for the plastics. The air filter cover is easy, but everything else requires multiple different kind of tools to get it done. I remember my YZ pretty much just used 8mm sockets for everything, and that was just so much easier. But either way, after a little bit of struggling, I got it stripped. First things first. Ergonomics. These are rental 821 fat bars, and they are relatively lower than the stock ones. When I got this bike, I assumed that it was made for someone taller than me, so I got some lower bars. I feel like that makes sense. However, I've been struggling a lot with arm pump recently. Well, yes, that is probably because of body position. It can be helped with some nicer bars. So I got these stock bars right here because I kept them around. I'm gonna throw these on. These are a little higher. They felt comfortable when I got the bike, frankly. So I'm gonna see how these feel. And then along with that, and I also got these grips. So these are a little different than the ones I normally run. Normally I just run these like waffle grips, but these ones have a little different pattern and they're softer. So hopefully that dampens some of the vibrations, is better for my arms. So hopefully this will fix some of my problems. Okay, it's been a while after messing around with the throttle cables a little bit. I got the free play correct. So now I'm just gonna finish wrapping up the other side. We should be good. Okay, so you may have noticed there hasn't been a video in a while, and that's because I was supposed to post this video earlier, but I never really finished it. I did finish the bike though. I just got lazy and didn't record all of it. So basically, threw on some new plastics, new seat. I bled the forks, made sure all the pressures were good. And now it's time to go test the thing out and start the journey to get better at riding again. Sorry. All right, so back at Sandpit, back on the dirt bike. It's been a while. Anyways, I really suck at riding right now. My arms keep getting tired after 3 seconds. I have absolutely no control. But that makes sense because I haven't ridden in like 4 months, so. Good guy. You're not gonna.
Oh my God. Not a big sand guy. There we go. Had to get one. It was going too good. You know, I was trying to think of how to make this video because I think of a lot of things to explain on, like, I don't know why I've kind of been like so, because obviously I haven't been riding over the winter. I have a lot going on. I don't live close to anywhere I can ride. Every single place I ride is like an hour away at least. It's just a pain. Weekends are busier now. You know, a junior in high school, I'm applying to colleges soon. I have to do good in school, blah, blah, blah. It's just like, I don't have as much time just to, you know, put my whole day into dirt biking. And, you know, I have other hobbies too. I have other sports I do. And dirt biking kind of just takes a back seat. And, you know, I think I'm kind of coming to terms with that. For a while, it kind of bothered me because I was like, oh, this is something I'm supposed to really like because I've liked it for so long.